Joyce, what does your day look like today?
Today I'm working on some more laundry from a family that has lost their home. They had a raging fire in their garage, and there were two very special things that I really touched my heart from this job. They thought they had lost all of their shoes because they were hit really hard from the wet insulation, the fire debris, charred debris, and they were really in bad shape. And after running them through the Esporta, I was able to save all of their shoes, and the customer was so very happy. And the other thing that really touched my heart was when I cleaned the little stuffed animal for their son, and he was able to get his stuffed animal back, and that was just brought joy to him, and which in turn brings joy to me.
So you do all this laundry because the smell?
We have a specialized machine which is specially designed for fire, smoke, and it brings out the odor, it brings out all of the smoke and the discoloration from the fires.
The detail out,
Yeah.
all by color, all by type of laundry it is.
Yep. Sorting out which can be dried, which can't be dried, has to go to a specialty dry cleaner. The items that aren't generally wash and full, and that's what I do here.
And then it goes in these lockers?
Yep. Everybody has their own pod. We call them pods. And that way, customers' contents don't get mixed up with other customers. This is why you call Servpro, because we can take care of you.